Good morning. Today I'm working on this. This is our flower arrangement for the week, our bouquet of the week. And I had some very interesting ideas that I've decided I'm not going to go with. So I was going to try to I'm practicing trying to blend some pinks and salmons and see what happens. I was going to actually this might not be bad. I think I will put it in. Okay. I hope you can hear me. I have a new earpiece on. So we'll see. Oh yeah, it's not bad. Not too bad. And then if one could come out over here maybe. Get this really funny looking one. Like that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Just kind of quirky. Back to my quirkiness. My quirky bouquets. Put that one right here, I think. Oh no, right there. See if I can fit it in. Yep, there it goes. Needs to be shorter. Yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, that works. Okay, now we're going to put some, I'm kind of pushing it, but I think it's going to work. And the idea is that apparently you can use purple to bridge the gap, so I'm practicing with it. It's pretty early here in the morning. I was just watching the weather, and oh my goodness, apparently it's supposed to be a warm one this summer. There's not a lot of breaks in temperature. I'm wondering if that can go right in there, or if I need to break it apart. I think I need to break it apart. See, it's one stalk with a bunch of flowers on it. So I'm going to cut it apart so I can use it individually. So, are we going? Yeah, okay. All right, we're going. Oh yeah, there we go. A little bit shorter. A little bit shorter, please. There we go. Okay, so what that means to me is that this is the year of irrigation, laying foundation, finishing laying foundation. I've been slowly working on irrigation for a couple of seasons now. With this new heat coming, I don't think there's any more waiting. I think I need to just do it. And I was thinking about that, just the idea of foundation, and I'm like, that's what I'm doing kind of in my life, is trying to build a new foundation for myself moving forward. And yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, so the last bit that I want to do is I cut these, and I think they're too tall, but that doesn't mean we can't cut them down for some sparkle and drama. Yeah, cool. And then this guy, I'm just going to leave him, just give him a fresh cut. It always helps, give him a fresh cut. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay. So yeah, so irrigation, foundation, hot summer. My goodness, the fires are raging in Southern California. Ugh. Yep. Like I said, spring is over. Any promise of spring is over even. So whatever we're doing, it's going to be in the heat. So there's going to be a lot more early mornings I see in my future. Like early. Like this early and earlier. So I'm out here at the crack of dawn, which is what farmers do, you know? So not unusual. But 8 o'clock isn't cool enough anymore to start, so whoop, get in there. In the base. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what we're talking about. Oh, we can put one more of these in here. Fun. Yeah. There we go. How's that? What do you think? What do you think? You like it? Shall I bring it up close? Bring it up close. Here we go. Putting the fancy flowers, here comes the sun, putting the fancy flowers in at the very last. But I love these, the Canterbury bells. Aren't these beautiful? They add such a touch of whimsy, as does the Gaura. Yeah, how about that? Yeah. So, irrigation, foundation, that's like what I'm up to. I got to do foundation, because if I don't do foundation, yesterday, 4 hours watering by hand. Not going to happen for the whole summer. I got to get the irrigation together. So, anyway, on that note, happy week, happy bouquet week. I think this is a pretty lovely bouquet for what this time of the season offers, right? So this is what late spring, moving into summer. We've only got a few more days before the solstice, so happy solstice, happy early solstice. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you have a great weekend and the rest of the week, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.